Hello YouTube, this is 76 Spots Brockway again doing another layout update. As you can see, I've gotten some buildings, and the track plan and the board is still the same. Yes, it's still a mess because it's not completely done yet. There will be more layout updates, but just thought I'd show what I've done so far. Had gotten done because I've gotten my roundhouse and yard area done. So yes, the train's run, but I got cords all over the track at the moment, and they all work. As you can tell, it's a mess, but I will have a lot more to come, because I have boxes upon boxes upon boxes of stuff, and the turntable. I finally got the turntable on the board. Yes, it's finally up on the board. Yeah, but so it's still a work in progress. It will be different. When it's done, I will have it done. Well, if you'll give me a second, I'll make it so we can have a run-by video. Once I get the train hooked up, I'm gonna try and get a run-by hook set up. Or I can do one quick run-by for you. Once I clear the track. Here, I'm gonna set you down for a second. Okay, I'm back. Let me get my engine to work. We seem to be having layout issues, so guess there won't be a run-by at the moment, unless I did screw up my wiring hookup, which I didn't. So I don't know what's going on at the moment. Could be over here too, so try to give it one more shot. Whoops. She wants to work, but she won't. Oh well. Oh well. Sorry about that, guys. But this is what I was going to run for you, my original set. Bye now.